muzzleloader. I got my handy cam here just for interviews, and I got a GoPro behind me. Hopefully I get a chance to turn them all on and see how it works out. Just trying to prove that you don't need to go drop a bunch of money to get decent footage, either for yourself or, as I'm offering, a point of view team to kind of show off your footage and what you're able to do. So we will see what happens today and see if I can make something out of it. Well, it's about 11:30, quarter to 12 right now, and I've switched blinds, moved clear to the west side of the property here. This morning, I seen one half rack, a buck that I could have shot, and then I had some does coming in behind me, but they skirted around me and headed over the hill. So the only thing I'm worried about is there's no fresh tracks that I can see from my walk in here. But this is usually a good spot. A lot of deer have been shot at this blind, so we will see what happens this afternoon. I'm going to sit till dark and in hopes of seeing some deer movement. I'm not real sure what happened. Quarter and two, I held it right on his front of his shoulder, so I think I got him, but I'm gonna let this little buck go. Wait just a little bit. The turkeys on top of the hill are just freaking out, so I'm hoping that they're doing that because of him. But we'll see. Well, that little buck wandered off. Turkeys are still making a bunch of racket, but it ain't turkey season, so I'm not too worried about it. I'm going to just sneak up the hill and see if I can see blood right away. Like I said, it looked like I hit him, and it sounded like he crashed right in the ditch, and then the turkeys just freaked out, and I didn't see him come out the direction he was running. And that ditch is fairly thick, so I'm assuming he didn't go up it.
hoping so anyway. So I'm just gonna go up there, sneak up there, look for blood. If I find blood, I'm just gonna glance over the hill and into the ditch and see if he's down there. I'll show you bits and pieces of it on the way. I'm gonna be carrying my gun, solo filming it, so I'm gonna be gun first, camera second at this point to make sure that he has expired. So we will sneak out of here and check it out. I can see him from right here. I'm pretty sure he's expired. I'm pumped. That's my first buck with my muzzleloader. I'm not even sure what it is, or what he is, or how big he is. I just knew it was decent body size and decent rack. I actually spotted him. He ran across the open field. And then disappeared, and I thought, hey, he's gone. Then a while later, that little 4-pointer came by. And I was watching him for a little while. And then I've had problems with my Tacticam. I don't know what's going on. The battery wasn't reading or something. So I'm hoping that even worked. It said it was recording. Oops, there. It said it was recording. So I'm hoping it caught it. If not, that's one downside hunting with a point of view camera. That's your only kill shot, or the only camera catching the kill shot. And Jared Tucker can contest to that. He shot a very nice buck this year, and he had a mishap with his Tacticam, and it wasn't the Tacticam's fault. It was his, but I'll let him tell you guys that sometime and not me, because it's a sad deal either way. But I'm going to show you a little bit more of the blood trail. I'm pretty sure he's expired. He hasn't moved since I can see him. And then we'll go down and get my hands on him.